All right, guys, here's the fourth floor, and we have another full bathroom. This could be a master suite, and what we have here is another room that could be either a bedroom or an office, a home office. In the coronavirus world, this might be good as a home office. And then we'll go down here for probably the biggest bedroom. And that's it, guys. So we have a 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom house on about little over 3/4 of an acre of land here. Pretty flat level lot of trees. So we got some tree work still to do, some landscaping still to do. Still got to pave the driveway, stain the brick, and put new shutters on. But otherwise, we're probably about 2 or 3 weeks away from being able to list this property here.